morning, how are you lovely people doing? I'm gonna go for a run, go home again, shower, get ready, and then around 1 I'm going to my friend Sharon. Oh, Gimli, you're so cute. Today was supposed to be a good weather day, and it's not. It's gray. Now I'm at Sharon's and she's petting the kitty. Hi, cutie! Hi! Oh my god, you're so cute. This boat we're gonna use. I'm zoomed in like crazy. I think that's better because today is really great weather and we're gonna enjoy it and take a boat ride. So Sharon and I are in a boat right now, enjoying the view. Oh, there's someone else coming.
Ja, we gaan hierin.
Ja. Alright, let's do this. So, it's beautiful weather, which is rare. Woo, we're going out under another bridge, guys. The weather is so lovely today. Echt serieus, het is vet lekker weer. And now it is time to get our tan on because the sun is out. As you can see, it's nice and warm. Sharon's gonna not get burnt, hopefully. We got croissants, magazines, water, we're all set. We got some magazines. I have a Radler and it's still beautiful outside, which is lovely. It's great clothing in the water. Don't you agree?
It is, yes, I agree.
Are you enjoying your magazine?
Yeah, I do.
Are you enjoying your licorice?
Mm-hmm.
What is it called? Mango?
Just licorice something.
Okay.
I don't think they have a translation for it.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Seriously guys, this is life. Life is good. We don't even need to go out of the Netherlands to get a tan. Oh hey, do you want to tell the vlog how London was in a short little summary?
Right, yeah. It was interesting, different, but I enjoyed it, so yeah.
Good.
That's good. And it's very good shopping.
I want to go to London too, guys. I don't think this summer is going to be the time for me to do it though. How are we in shade again? We just got to the sun and now we're back to the shade.
Right.
So that thing right there kind of looks like a little guy of what we just saw. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Are you being attacked? Sharon is checking her phone, guys. We're going under a bush. Hello, bush. You're really close to me.
Ah, there's a spider here.
Where?
Oh, no, yeah, okay.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Waarom is de lichaam zo eng? If you can't tell, I don't like spiders. Bye! Bye, Bertie! And hopefully he'll find his mom who has a nice little fish for him. Hello! 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 Oh, you're so sweet. Then the boat got to land. Kitty got outside. That was a success, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Okay. And the sun's coming out again.
Here, I did it for you.
Oh, cool. The raspberry from your yard.
Yeah, you can pick more if you see. Once.
Mmm. Oh my god. Look at these guys. What are those? Also raspberries?
Yeah, the yellow ones.
Oh, really? Do they taste different?
A little bit.
Yeah? Oh, it's so cool.
Here.
Thank you. Do you guys spray them or just leave it naturally?
No, of course not.
Good.
Oh, a really big spine.
Where? Oh my god.
Here. Like this one as well.
Okay.
Alright, yes.
Which one, like, doesn't have as an obvious of a flavor, kind of?
Yeah, it's not really sweet.
No, it's more like tart a little bit. My brother, dad, and I decided to just have pizza for dinner. So I have a veggie pizza still. Don't I? Don't I? Huh? No, you're so cute. Alright, so I don't know if you guys know this, but I can't stand feet. This weird kitty loves it. This is what he wants. He wants to be pet with my foot. Okay. Alright, go. Go, 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 go. Frodo, this is gross. Seriously, can you go? 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 Good, good, good job. There we go. Oh, another pause. Okay then. Oh, that's toilet paper, isn't that beautiful? Okay then, let's go downstairs. Yay, you made it! Good job! Good job, Frodo! Good job! Okay, so, dinner.